My name is Isaac Shawaki. I'm the owner of Octopi Brewing, and we're a co-packer, a contract beverage facility. We make products for other companies or other people. We create products anywhere from just a regular Pilsner, really good beer, to teas with special additives or different formulations. Basically what we want to do is we're a one-stop shop that you come with an idea or a product and we'll create it for you, and we'll actually make volume out of it so you can go in the market and grow your brand. Well, the concept started when I was about 10 years ago. I had an idea, I didn't know how to make it, and we went to other place to make it for us. And it was super frustrating because we could never get the right packaging that we wanted. So about 6 years ago, I decided that I needed to create Octopi and help other people basically make their products by innovating, creating new technologies or new ideas or new procedures, or even just a good procedure or process to make sure that we can grab those ideas and make the best product we could to get it out there in the market.